Welcome to another new module. Over the previous modules, you learned a lot about creating components and using the various React and actually native JavaScript features to display dynamic content, output dynamic content in JSX code, and much more. We also briefly touched on styling React components. I did it with inline styles and I showed you how to import a CSS file to apply these CSS styles. I also mentioned that these weren't scoped to the component you imported it in though. In this module, I want to focus on styling React components because there's more to it than what you saw thus far. For one, I want to have a look at how you can dynamically adjust styles or class names. And I also want to show you how to work around this restriction of either using inline styles and hence having scoped styles, but having limitations like not being able to use media queries or pseudo selectors, or using CSS files and then having global styles. There are a couple of ways of handling this, and we'll dive into all of these ways of working with styles in this module.